Syarikat Pengangkutan Maju Berhad is a company that provides various transportation services, which are transit bus service within the locations of Johor Bahru, Batu Pahat, and Parit Sorong, as well as express bus service. However, it does not use the suitable information system to run its business effectively and efficiently. In transit bus service of Maju, it uses the machine which will print out the bus ticket when the bus drivers press the machine's buttons, which are consistent of numeric to quote the cost according to the destination and status of every passenger. The traditional system is more time-consuming as the passengers should stand in a long queue to wait for the bus drivers to press the button of the machine in order to take the bus ticket as a proof that they paid the bus fare already. Apart from that, the service frequency of Maju is about 30 minutes above, but the transit buses are always late for a long time because the buses of Maju are not punctuality, so the passengers need to waste a lot of time to wait for the buses. It's because they do not know where are the buses at the time, hence they cannot estimate what the time transit buses will arrive at somewhere. Therefore, the bus station will have many passengers to wait for a bus.
Based on the problem that we are facing, we decided to purchase a new system. Our new system is pay and track system. The short form is PTS. This system is above to increase the efficiencies and effectiveness to achieve the safe time target. Through the PTS, all the customer will easily do know the bus track and the timetable. Next is our card design is following by cartoon and the moving character. Our company every week will come up a new product, new card. So the member can collect the card every week. Last is the location price. The location price is following the weekday, weekend, and the public holiday. Every price is following you go up and down by the bus.
Today I want to say about system design. In Maju Bus Express, before we design this pay and track system, we cannot know about the bus schedule and what is the time the bus will arrive, our location. So after we design this system, it can help us easy to manage our schedule and we can prepare it early. Besides that, this system can help Maju Bus Express to deliver the latest message about the location of the bus to our customer. So the customer can predict the time of the bus will arrive their location. Besides that, they also can check the ticket price with their handset application. After that, this pay and track system are also having a machine in every Maju bus. This machine can let passenger pay their ticket by scanning their card. Every customer will get a card to top up with their cash, so they can pay it with the card, and this will help the purchasing section become faster and easier. Besides that, inside the machine also have the GPS system, so we can track the bus location every time, everywhere. That's all.
And the next one is system implementation. It is constructing new system, then turns testing into final use system. As a company purchase the new system from other company, they need to install and test the new system. First, Maju analyze the system, then document the result in company database. So if there is any problem, they can refer back. Maju must conduct a system test to make sure that the new system is working well with other existing programs. Modify as needed until the test is become success. Next, Maju company use parallel approach as their commercial plan. This approach allows both old and new system can be operated in the same time. Maju also need to give training to the system users, which are the staff. This training is make sure that the staff can run the system smoothly. After that, the system analyst should record the end-user documentation such as opinion, feedback, or comment. After implementation stage, Maju will do next phase, which is called support. They should overcome change and do correction if any problems occur. Do physical repair to make sure that the machines are in a good condition. Maju should arrange their bus schedule when the buses are repaired. This is because the time of bus coming will not be delayed and the passengers no need to wait longer time. Maju can post an announcement on the online page or the mobile application if needed. Maju must do any correction if there is any new bugs. Search for the technical people that have specific skills to do system repair. As some passengers may not purchase the cards or having mobile application, they can also use the old system. Using new and old system in the same time to ensure that every nation are benefit.
Next, I want to present about the advantages of the system. First of all, this system can bring convenience to passengers. They can use the mobile apps to know the direction of the bus. This can help the passenger to save a lot of time for line out and no need to wait for a long time. Hence, our system adopt the short-term direct in the faster time and the shorter distance to reach the destination. This benefit can make them feel satisfaction. Therefore, passenger can only apply only one kind to travel MRT and bus or taxi to anywhere. They can more relief to pay money and there are no chance for the bus driver can cheat on them according to their own price.
In the conclusion, Maju has not wisely used the technology nowadays before they purchase the new system. They use the traditional method which they need to pay physically and it actually increased the passengers' waiting time. After they purchase the new pay and track system, they can create more customers' value to society. Also, the passengers and the company should cooperate in order to make the system move smoothly. The company can able to bring better ride experience to passengers. Maju should always aware of the changing that happens every day in information age so that the company will not be outdated.